Want to save time and get the key points of a YouTube video without watching the whole thing? You can use AI to instantly summarize YouTube videos. Here's how. First, copy the link of the YouTube video you want summarized. Then go to a tool like ChatGPT with the YouTube plugin, Claude AI, or free services like Atify and YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. Paste the video link, and the AI will analyze either the transcript or the captions. Within seconds, you'll get a bullet point summary with the main takeaways. On Chrome, you can even install the Atify extension. Just open a video, click Summarize, and AI generates a quick outline on the right side of your screen. If you're using ChatGPT mobile, just paste the link and ask summarize this video in 5 key points. Pro tip, AI summaries are great for long podcasts, tutorials, or lectures, where you only need the highlights. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel.